Good. Okay, now go ahead, pivot on the haunches, and see if you can't get him to side pass over that second pull. Good. 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 Oh, it's okay. Come again. Come again. Yeah, but you know what? That was actually quite nice until he decided to come out of that. Okay? So what I want you to think about is as you're doing this, you feel how precise you have to be. And the moment you take your brain off of it, or you you relax, Blue says, oh, I can just forget about it. I don't have to focus. So this is where you get to be mentally on this whole time, Michelle. All right, so open up the door and say, come on over this pole. Side over. Get the butt, get the butt. Yeah, we forgot a part. Come again. There we go. Good job. Good job. Line them up. Good. Now we in the box. Okay, let's give this another whirl. All right, that's it. And push with the right leg. Push the butt has to come with, butt has to come with. Yep, good. And whoa, give him a moment, give him a moment. Blue, you're thinking this too much. And put him in the box again. Yep, right there. And just let him sit for a second. Deep breath. See how he's thinking too much now? He's like, oh my gosh, you're asking me complicated maneuverings. My brain's not ready on a Wednesday. All right? So now you can go either to the right or to the left. Your choice. Yep, whole thing, whole body. Stop the back with that. Yep. Blue, you're thinking too hard. Okay? All right, so what I want you to do is you're going to come in, halt in the box, and walk right out of it. That is exactly what I wanted you to do. Perfect, okay? You come in at a different angle. Good, Michelle. Halt. Pivot any direction and set them up to go ahead and side pass. Don't care which direction. Very nice, Blue. Good job, Michelle. Halt. Be very distinct between each of your movements. Stepping forward, one. Set them up. Halt. Let them have a moment to rest there. Mentally prepare yourself, and then side pass them over the pole to the left. We're only looking for 1, 2, maybe 3 strides. So your left hand, your left leg are open. That's it, that's it. Push, really strong push with that right leg. Say over, it's okay. Blue, you're being special. You're just on the inside. Get him to step. He was on it for a bit. There you go. Okay, and right there, halt. Nice. Deep breath. Release the reins. Give him a release. Let him have his brain for a moment. And when you're ready, go ahead and ask him to come to the left. Left leg is off. Left hand is off. Forward with the leg. Good. Forward. Forward. There you go. Blue, you're being special. Right? At the girth. Right leg at the girth. And really push it over. Push. Push. Yes. Yes. Push. Yes. 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 I don't care. Good. There you go. Good. So you got about 1. We'll take it. Good job. All right. Go ahead. Walk them out a little bit.